Over the years, people have found a multitude of ways to invest in real estate. Some people have rented out rooms in their home. They've stayed with their parents a little bit longer to save money. They have done a variety of things in order to save money so that they can move forward with their real estate investment goals. However, you can make it work, the effort will be worth it. Investing in real estate is an excellent long-term investment. Once you decide to invest, there are three main ways to take your investment. The first is to buy and hold. That is the most common. Moving into your home, holding onto it to gain that equity. Over time, you'll realize that appreciation and equity. The second way is to flip a property or purchase a home that needs quite a bit of work at a lower cost, investing money into that rehab or remodel, and then selling the home for a profit. That's a flip project. You do have to be cautious about the type of contractors that you're using and making sure that you're not exceeding your investment with those upgrades that you want to make to the home. So it's a careful numbers game there. And the third way is a short or long-term rental property. The short-term rental market is crazy right now. It's an excellent way to make a profit if you're in a highly desirable area where people are frequently coming to visit as tourists. It's important to have a good property management company if you're not managing it yourself, and just to be cautious of a few things like the HOA rules and regulations that might limit your ability to rent for a specific amount of time in that area. So those are three great ways to invest in real estate and gain that appreciation over time. I am Andrea Crouch with the Crouch Group at eXp Realty. Give us a call to talk about any investing.